Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn what is repeat number of times activity in UiPath. So click on this plus icon and search for repeat number of times activity. So this activity will repeat a set of activities for a specified number of times and add the activities to repeat inside this repeat number of activities. Click on this activity, you will see this properties panel. Enter the input in this number of times field to execute the activities added inside this repeat number of times activities. So for example, if I give the value 5. So this will repeat the activities present in this repeat number of times activities which executes for 5 times. So you can see one more option here which is start at. So by default value for this is 1. So this value is assigned to this current item. So from here you can choose the value to this current item to start with. Click on this plus icon. I will use log message activity to display the output. So in this message field, just I will give current item. So by default value is 1. So this is going to repeat this activity for 5 times, so from 1 to 5. So let me run this. The default value is 1, so it is printing the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have given the number of times is 5. So for example, if I change this to 3, let me run this. Now as expected, we can see at the output, this will print the numbers from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 because as we have given current item value is start with 3. So what if I change the value inside this message field? So within the double quotations, I will just write hello everyone. And let me run this. So as expected, we will get this string value hello everyone for 5 times. For the from current value 3 to repeat number of times is 5. So this will print the string for 5 times from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 5 times. Okay, so this is how to use repeat number of times activity in UiPath. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.